Today I am back with a quick clearance beauty alert, but first let's start with this. I needed some aloe vera for my skin, so I just decided to opt for a mask for right now. I love the fact that it's 99% natural and it doesn't have all the extra junk in it. It has a lot of really helpful, beneficial ingredients for your skin that's promoted for healthy skincare. So here are some of the ingredients right here. You could pause and look at it if you want to, but I just cannot wait to try these. These were 2 for $5. I picked up that one by nature, and I also picked up the Manuka honey and purifying charcoal. Can't wait to try this. Same thing, 99% natural ingredients, no parabens, no nasty chemicals is what it states. And the ingredients are on the back, and some of the, things that are really good for your skin, such as coconut, water, glycerin, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, Manuka honey, and all that other good stuff, and charcoal powder. So let's get into this this clearance beauty alert, y'all. I went back because I wanted to try these masks, right? And you know me, y'all know my favorite thing to buy, beauty related wise, are makeup tools. I love makeup tools. It's my favorite thing to buy, right? Okay. So I only picked up 4 because I was thinking that they were still $2.50. Guys, these brushes, where's the receipt? Okay, so here's the receipt right here. It was $4.88, and I'm thinking that they're gonna be $2.50. Oh my god, listen, these things came up to $122, yo. So I was just like, oh my god, and I should have picked up more because when I went back, they was gone. Okay, they was gone. My favorite too, because I actually have a video that's coming up right after this one, is actually this one and the contour one. Oh my god, like it applied my makeup so freaking nice. Like I'm kicking myself in the butt. Y'all don't understand. I didn't want to pick up too many, and then if I didn't like it, it's just like, But see, that's the thing. That's why I should have just tried these brushes like the other day. But oh my goodness. Get your hands on these. I believe they have them on Amazon, so I'm going to link that in the description box as well. But listen, please, if you're interested at all, because your Walmart still may have some of the Christmas stocking stuffers, beauty stocking stuffers and things like that. The little impulse areas for little gifts and such like this. Stop playing these games, because I'm going to show you. I might like insert a clip or something like that. Please check out my next video directly after this, where I'm actually testing out all 3, because I only picked up these 4. I only picked up 4, but they didn't have any more of the expert face brush. But guys, I'm telling you, watch my next video. I seen the next one have a blessed one. You don't understand. $1.22, and these are real techniques. But this one right here, like seriously in life, listen, just watch my next video. Watch my next video. That's all I gotta say. Just watch my next video. So for it to be $5.99 at Target and for me to get it $1.22, almost $1, I thought that was a steal. Go check your Walmarts and look really, really good. Love y'all. See you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye.